Apple has announced GarageBand for iOS and iPadOS, a popular music creation app. GarageBand helps people unlock their musical creativity with all new sound packs from some of the top artists and music producers. With GarageBand, users can learn to remix music right within the app with 2 new remix sessions offering step-by-step video instruction and featuring hit songs from Grammy Award-winning artists Dua Lipa and Lady Gaga. Musicians can also now create songs with 7 new producer packs full of beats, loops, and instruments created just for GarageBand by some of the world's top producers, including Boys Noise, Mark Lettieri, Oak Felder, Selection, Take a Day Trip, Tom Misch, and TRAKGIRL. GarageBand continues to be a catalyst for music creation, making it easy for novices to get started and for seasoned pros to develop their ideas on the go. Bob Borchers, Apple's Vice President of Worldwide Product Marketing, said, "For this update, we've collaborated with an incredible group of artists and producers to give musicians an amazing collection of new sounds to play with, and we hope even more people will be inspired to tap into their creativity and start making music in GarageBand," he said. Anyone can now mix music in GarageBand with 2 new in-app remix sessions featuring Dua Lipa and Lady Gaga, Apple said in a release. Each session includes inspirational videos from each artist telling the stories behind their hit songs Break My Heart, Dua Lipa, and Free Woman, Lady Gaga, as well as step-by-step remix instructions led by an Apple Retail Creative Pro using a GarageBand Live Loops version of each song. During these sessions, anyone can interact with these hits just as an artist would in the studio, hearing isolated vocals, beats, and individual instruments that provide the foundational elements of a song. There are touch instruments and thousands of Apple loops available in GarageBand, which allow users to explore their creativity, taking their remix in any direction from hip-hop to EDM, or any combination of genres they think of.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.